Over 93,000 tech jobs have already been cut in 2026, and one major reason behind this shift is artificial intelligence. Big companies across the world are now investing heavily in AI tools and automation. From customer support to software development, many tasks that earlier needed large teams are now being handled by AI systems within seconds. Companies like Freshworks, Coinbase, and many others are restructuring their workforce to reduce costs and improve efficiency. And honestly, this news is creating fear among many working professionals. People are asking, will AI replace humans? Will jobs disappear in the future? Which careers are actually safe now? But here's something important we all need to understand. Every technological revolution has changed the job market. When computers arrived, people were scared. When the internet came, industries changed. And now AI is becoming the next big transformation. Yes, some repetitive jobs may reduce, but at the same time, new opportunities are also being created. Today, companies are looking for people who can work together with AI, not against it. Skills like communication, leadership, creative thinking, decision-making, relationship building, and emotional intelligence still need a human touch. For example, in recruitment and HR, AI can help shortlist resumes faster, AI can schedule interviews, AI can analyze data, but it still cannot fully understand human emotions, culture fit, trust, and personal connection. That's why adapting ourselves is becoming very important. Instead of fearing AI, we should start learning how to use AI tools, how to improve our skills, and how to stay relevant in this changing world. The future will not belong only to AI. The future will belong to people who know how to use AI smartly. So don't panic. Upgrade yourself. Learn continuously, because change is not stopping anytime soon. And remember, AI may replace certain tasks, but it cannot replace passionate, adaptable, and emotionally intelligent people. What do you think about this AI revolution? Is it an opportunity or a threat? Let me know in the comments. Follow HR Buzz Daily for more updates.